everyone, my name is Divya. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make neem oil. So neem oil is great for any kind of scalp problems. It's great for dandruff. It has wonderful antibacterial and antifungal properties. And so basically neem oil is something that can be used for our hair, for our skin without, a second thought. And especially if it is homemade, it is free of any kind of preservatives or additives. So the reason I am making neem oil today is not because I want to use it for my hair, although I can, but I also already have some hair oil recipes that I am using currently. So the neem oil that I am going to be making today is more targeted towards my plants. So my plants, because of inadequate sunlight in my balcony, we are getting a lot of mealybugs. So I thought I would use this neem oil spray as a protective measure to stop the spread of mealybugs on my plants. Let's dive right in and see how to make this very easy neem oil right at your home. Now the ingredients you need for this is of course neem leaves. So I have these neem sprigs. I have about 4-5 neem sprigs and I've just allowed it to air dry for 3-4 days and they are pretty dried up. So this is the first ingredient. The next ingredient is cold pressed coconut oil. So I'm using organic cold pressed coconut oil, but you can use any kind of coconut oil you have at home. So if you see here, I've taken all the neem leaves and I'm now just crushing them into a coarse powder between my fingers. Since they are completely dry, they are crushing very easily. In case you want to use a mixer for this, you can go ahead and do that as well. The next thing I've done is I've taken a thick vessel of this sort. So in that I've added about 1.5 cups of the coconut oil, and this is going on the lowest flame and I'm just allowing it to heat up a little. So you can see that the oil has melted and basically it is heated up slightly. So now I'm going to be adding in this crushed neem leaves into this. And I'm gonna just give it a stir. So I've added in the neem leaves and now I'm just going to keep stirring the mixture in between so that the neem leaves don't settle to the bottom and start burning. Again, it's on a very low flame and I'm just going to allow this to keep getting heated up and allow the neem leaves to get infused into the oil for about 15 to 20 minutes. So if you can see, it's already starting to turn green. That is, the neem leaves are already starting to get infused into the coconut oil. It's now been 20 minutes and as you can see, the oil has gotten nice and heated. And off the flame now and allowing this to cool down for about 2 to 2.5 hours, after which we'll be bottling it up. This cooling period will allow the neem leaves to infuse further into the oil. So now it's been about 2 hours and the oil has completely become cold. Now I'm going to transfer it into another container. So if you can see here, this is a bottle or a jar that I have, and I have a strainer here to strain the neem leaves so that only the oil passes through. Looks, and it is as simple as this. And now this oil can be used for our skincare, hair care or any other purpose that calls for the use of neem oil. So do try making this at home. It's a very simple recipe, and if you like such simple DIYs and zero waste recipes, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so that you're notified as and when I post any new content. Thank you. Bye.